Hi, welcome to another lesson for class 5 chemistry. In this lesson, we are going to learn about freezing. In our previous two lessons, we learned about melting and melting point. If you missed these lessons, you can go back to the channel and watch them there. So let's start. First, we have to learn about freezing. Here are the objectives of today's lesson. We will understand about freezing. You can look at this picture. This picture is showing water, and then we converted it into ice. Now, water is a liquid form, liquid state of the matter, while ice is the solid form or solid state of the matter. This changing of liquid into solid is called freezing. Like the liquid water changed into solid. So we can say that we freeze the water. The changing of a liquid into the solid is called freezing. Here you can see the definition of freezing. Changing a liquid to solid is called freezing. In other words, you can say it is the reverse process of melting. In melting, what we do, what happens in melting, a solid changes into liquid. And in freezing, a liquid changes to solid. In melting, to change a solid into liquid, heat is required. So it means it is the reverse process, so we need to cool to change a liquid into solid. So freezing will occur when a liquid is cooled. Always to freeze any liquid we need to cool it, as it is a reverse process of melting. We can show this in the form of this chemical equation. If we will cool a liquid, when we will cool the liquid, it will change into solid. So the name of this process is freezing. You have to remember that like every other matter exists in three phases: solid, liquid and gas. The three phases of water are given three names, like solid phase of the water is called ice, and we can change it by cooling the liquid water. We need to cool water to get the ice. The liquid state of the matter is called water, and the gas state of the matter is called water vapor or steam. If we combine all the previous lesson that we took, we can say that one state of solid can get converted into other states. I mean, if we have the solid state, we can convert it into liquid. If we have the liquid, we can convert back into solid. When we convert the solid into liquid, that is called melting, and conversion of liquid into solid is called freezing. Here, if we look at this diagram is showing the particle model. We can see that to convert a solid into liquid, energy is required. Energy is added if we need to change a solid into liquid. When the solid will gain energy, that is in the form of heat energy, the particles of the solid, the attractive forces between the particles of solid will break and it will convert into liquid. In detail, we studied this in our previous lesson. In the same way, when we give the energy to a liquid, it converts into gas. But If we have to convert a gas into liquid, we remove the energy. That process is called cooling. So same way, when the liquid will cool, then the energy is removed from the liquid, its particle will slow down and will settle down as solid particles. So solid is formed. So we can say freezing occurs when the molecules of a liquid slow down by losing the energy. So in this lesson, we learn about freezing and how freezing happen, and also we learn about the three states of water, three names of the different states of water. In our next lesson, inshallah, we will learn about freezing point. We will learn about freezing point of different substances. So see you in next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.